Born to fail, bred to survive. From these streets to the heights I'll thrive.
Life wasn't easy, but I made it mine.
Hey there, welcome to Born to Fail, Bred to Survive. As I told you, this podcast will be about several different subjects. One of the subjects I told you about is my no cloud compound. Now, as you can see behind me, these are my cameras. They are no cloud cameras. They're all running on a Blue Iris instance that I have in a VM hosted on my property. And I use a variety of different cameras. That's the nice thing about Blue Iris. You can use different cameras. One of the cameras I like to use is the Tapo camera. There are 4 cameras for like $80, so it's a really good deal. I put a video together about cybersecurity and wanted you to take a look at it. It's just basic information, but as we go through, we will have different drops of episodes about cybersecurity. So check out this video and check back later. Thanks.
Welcome to Tech Talk, the podcast that doesn't sugarcoat how screwed we all are online, but also shows you how to fight back without needing a PhD in misery. I'm your host, Arlin, and if you're here for the first time, congratulations, you're officially too paranoid to be normal, but not paranoid enough yet. We'll fix that. This is episode 1, why everything you do online is basically a neon sign saying, rob me. No fluff, no corporate sponsor read for fiber supplements disguised as security tools. Just real talk about why cybersecurity isn't some nerd hobby anymore. It's survival in 2026. Let's start with the ugly truth most people ignore until their bank account looks like a war crime scene. Every single day, criminals aren't targeting big companies first. They're targeting you, the average person, because you're lazy, trusting, and still using password 123 on 6 different sites. In the last 12 months alone, we've seen ransomware gangs hitting mom and pop shops because they still run Windows XP in the back office, phishing emails so good your grandma would click them, and then Venmo the scammers her bingo winnings. Credential stuffing attacks where one leaked password from that 2019 breach you forgot about unlocks your email, your crypto wallet, and your OnlyFans subscription. The attackers aren't genius masterminds anymore. They're script kiddies with ChatGPT and a $5 botnet rental. The bar is so low it's underground. So why does this keep happening? 3 big reasons. Number 1, humans are the weakest link and always will be. No firewall stops a person who types their password into a fake login page that looks identical to their bank. Social engineering isn't fancy hacker movie stuff. It's just weaponized psychology, and we're all terrible at it. Number 2, everything is connected now. Your smart fridge, your doorbell camera, your kid's tablet, your Tesla that drives itself better than you do sober. They're all little doors into your life. Most of them ship with security that's basically a screen door on a submarine. Number 3, companies still treat security like a cost center instead of oxygen. They patch on Tuesday while the 0 day is already in the wild on Monday night. By the time they fix it, your data's already on a Russian forum for $2.99. But here's the part that actually matters. You don't have to be a victim. You don't need to become a tinfoil hat crypto bro living in a Faraday cage. You just need better habits than the next guy, because attackers are lazy too. They go after the low-hanging fruit. So in the coming episodes, we're going deep. How to spot phishing that's good enough to fool your boss. Why 2FA isn't bulletproof anymore, and what actually works. Password managers that don't suck. The real risks of AI tools leaking your secrets. And the breaches that should terrify you way more than the ones the news obsesses over. But today is just orientation day. Consider this your welcome to the Matrix, here's the red pill moment. Quick action items before you go back to doom scrolling. Right now, pause this, go change your most important passwords. Use something long, random, and unique. Write it down if you have to. Burn the paper later like a spy. Turn on 2FA everywhere it exists. Yes, even on your Steam account. Especially on your Steam account. Stop clicking links in emails. Just don't. Type the URL yourself or bookmark it. That's it for level 1. Do those 3 things and you're already ahead of 70% of the population. Next episode, we're dissecting a fresh 2026 breach that's probably still trending while you're listening to this. Spoiler, someone didn't follow rule number 3. Until then, Stay suspicious, update your shit, and don't trust anything with a blinking light. This is Cyber Bites. Episode 1 done. Don't get hacked before episode 2.